back to my channel. So this video is gonna be about my lock oil, DIY lock oil, and then my DIY lock spray. I've been spraying, I have the spray made already, but I'm gonna change it to a different bottle because this bottle kind of, I got the mist sprayer bottle that everyone has. I finally got one. I'm gonna see if the mist actually is different than how this one sprays, because I feel like this drenches my hair a little too much for like an everyday thing. Like I don't want my hair to be wet. And then I'm showing you how I make my oil. I haven't made the oil yet, so I have everything in front of me here. So yeah, the last two things I got were the 360 sprayer bottle, and then a cute matching they're color applicators, but this is where the oil is gonna be. They're so cute, look at this. This was the last one, and this was also the last one of these colors. So I was like, okay, well, you know, I have to get them. The other ones are like a white top and a black top. So I was like, oh, these are cute. Okay, so let's go on to the products portion of this video. So in here, I'm just gonna transfer this into this bottle, but in here is like 1/3 water, just regular tap water, and then 2/3 aloe vera gel. Well, not 2/3, I don't want to say 2/3. I put some avocado oil in the bottle. I got this from Aldi. It's just regular avocado oil. I put let's say around that much oil, just so my essential oils can have a carrier oil to, like, I guess, cling on to. I think that's why like in some of my other sprays, the essential oil isn't as strong as this spray, and usually I put around the same amount of drops in all my concoctions or whatever, but I think the carrier oil makes it so the smell lingers. So anyways, yeah, and then the essential oils I put in here are lavender. There's a blend that that came with my the package I had for the essential oils, because I got it in a pack from Amazon. But this is anxiety relief, and it has lemon oil, orange oil, bergamot oil, geranium oil, tangerine oil, lang lang oil, and jasmine oil. And this smells so good. And then I also put some rosemary oil in here. And then for this oil that I'm gonna be putting in my scalp, I'm gonna be using the avocado oil again. Probably 3/4 of the bottle is gonna be avocado oil, and then 1/4 is gonna be castor oil. And then I'm gonna put essential oils, but I'll tell you what those are. This cap is really weird. Like, it's a squeeze cap, right? But if I squeeze it, it oozes out on the side, so I just take out the whole entire lid. Okay, so this is an 8-ounce bottle, so if am I doing correct math? Yeah, I am. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of the castor oil. And this bottle has tick marks on it, the measurements, which is really nice. So probably can't even see that, but it says it's up to 2 ounces. So that's that. And then I'm gonna do the rest of this, the other 6 ounces of avocado oil. Wow, I literally barely made it. It's like 1/4, or yeah, it's 7 ounces and 3/4. Okay, so that filled up to here. Now I'm going to add, let's see, 5 drops of peppermint oil. Okay, well, 6 got in there. And then 5 drops of tea tea tree oil. This oil is gonna be more like on my scalp. Actually, my scalp loves tea tree oil. I'll put 7 drops. Yeah, this is gonna be like mainly put on my scalp. I don't think I'm going to really put this on the length of my hair. So my scalp does have issues with being itchy, and I think I had psoriatic dermatitis. I think it's like under control for right now, but it was really jacked up earlier. Anyways, so I used I put like tea tree and rosemary drops in my conditioner and my shampoo to help combat the scalp irritation, and it really helped. I'm also putting rosemary. I'm gonna put 5 drops of rosemary. And lastly, I'm going to put 5 drops of lavender oil. I'm gonna shake it up. Let's smell it actually. Yeah, that smells really good. Okay, so that is that for the oil. And now I'm just gonna pour the spray in here, and you see there's like the layer of oil on top. You might be able to see better in this clear bottle. Alright, so here you can definitely see the 2 layers now. So usually a shake. I'm just gonna try this out. I don't need to wet my hair right now. So I'm just gonna see how misting this is. So okay, all right. That's all I needed to know. I've been skeptical of these sprays. I'm like, there's no way that they're that much better than like these. These are like $1 from Walmart or the Dollar Tree or something like that. So I'm like, there's no way that there's such a big difference in the way that these spray in comparison to regular spray bottles. Yeah, you can, with this type of nozzle, you can adjust how fine or harsh the water comes out or liquid comes out. So I'm like, I got it pretty fine, but this definitely just is like a fine mist, a very fine mist. Like I barely got my hair wet, but it's like a nice mist. This will get my hair too wet, especially when I'm doing it from each angle. Like parts that overlapped will get too wet, and it was like kind of annoying. So, okay. I'm sold. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. And if you did make it to this part of the video, comment this emoji. I'm just gonna say comment this emoji because I don't even know what emoji it's gonna be yet. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys catch me in my next video. Bye.